Hi everyone, Melissa here coming on today with another Saturday morning makes. Let me show you what I am using today. For my stamp set, I am using I'm Sweet on You, which is from Sweet Sayings from Cards TV Stamps. Then I am using Teeny Tag Greetings from My Creative Time, and I am using, oh, where is it at? Such a cute font, Sweet Friend. And then from La La Land Crafts, I am using this watermelon. I was going to try and post with my friend Gloria or Girlia's Cards. She posted a couple weeks ago, and we were both crafting. I didn't finish mine, but we both had the same thought, and we used the same paper behind it. And then, which was so funny, and I didn't get mine posted though. And then I'm also using these My Creative Time bows. I'm using this Cottage Cut double stitch square dies for the inside. And then I'm also using these cute square tags. Love these. All right, let me show you how my cards turned out. I made a couple 3x3s and a couple 4x4 cards. But I love how they turned out, so I used a couple different bows on there. But then they turn out so cute. Let me show you the small ones first. I thought they were just so cute. Love the color behind there. And the background paper came from my favorite things. And like I said, Gloria uses the same paper set, but I think her colors were different. But I love how that came out. I did cut, I used some dark paper dark blue paper behind there. And I thought it turned out so cute. Put a little enamel dot there. And then for this one, I used the same two bows, but a little bigger. And I thought those turned out adorable as well. Two watermelons there and another heart. All right, and then the inside of the cards look exactly like that, except for it's a little smaller. All right, so those are what I have for you. Make sure you use Jill Norwood's link down below to go over to her channel, or use the hashtag, either one. And that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.